My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake Chrome browser update alerts that come from the site Managespeedyoverlytheproduct.vip. Managespeedyoverlytheproduct.vip is a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. The website claims to be some Chrome update notifications, but all this information is absolutely faulty. You should not trust these deceptive messages. The point is that such fake Chrome update notifications actually try to mislead people and to trick them into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. Such extensions, by the way, may operate as adware, as browser hijackers, and other malware. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to be very careful not to interact with these deceptive pop-ups by Managespeedyoverlytheproduct.vip. They are absolutely fake and you shouldn't trust their deceptive content. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here on the list. So carefully check this list. If you locate any suspicious extensions, disable and remove them. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com, download the software called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The download speed, of course, may depend on the peculiarities of your internet provider. If you use VPN, the speed may be decreased, of course. Anyway, after you download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.